Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a carpet cleaning business website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website on is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. After creating the account, you're going to tap on Create New Site, and I want you to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then after doing that, you're going to type on the search bar carpet cleaning, so you can do that right there. So we'll type in carpet cleaning and you can see carpet cleaning service. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can enter in your business name. So for example, I'll call it carpet cleaning. So I'll type that in real quick. Then you can enter in your business address and you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can select your working hours. So I'll leave it at 5 days per week, and we'll be opening shop at 9 a.m. and closing at 5 p.m. So let's select that. Then you'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can see some sample services that you may offer. So for example, we will be offering consultation, and you can scroll down, and then from there you can also add new services. So you can tap on create new service, and let's say for example I'll just type in carpet cleaning for example's sake, and this is where you'll be able to add in the different services that you offer. So you can add them right there. Then you'll tap on save. After you have added it, you'll tap on continue. Then from here you can add staff member's name and email address. Then tap on continue once more. If you are planning to accept payments online, you can select accept online, and more than likely you'll be accepting in person too. And you're going to tap on continue to dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll now be able to set up the different services. So you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on catalog. Then from there you can see the services that we have added, and we can tap on, for example, edit beside this one, and then tap on the plus to add a cover image. Then you could choose to upload media, or you can select media from Wix, and then we could type in carpet. So let's do that and tap on enter. And by the way, this is copyright free images, so you don't have to worry about any copyright problems or so on. So let's say for example's sake we were to select this one, then tap on add to page, then scroll down. You can add in a quick description, and you can also set the price. So let's say fixed price, and we'll be charging $100. Then you can assign it to a particular staff member right here. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you can continue adding more services just like that by tapping on add service in the top right hand corner. Once you're finished, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option once more and select getting paid. Then you're going to tap on connect payment method. And this is where you'll be able to set up the different payment options that you can offer your customers. So depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options right here. Keep in mind, any other payment option except PayPal, you'll need to go on the Wix paid plan, which is quite affordable. Once you have connected the payment options, you can tap on booking calendar, and this is where you'll be able to see your bookings in the future. You can also manually add booking by tapping on add in the top right hand corner. Then I want you to tap on set up. After selecting setup from the top left hand corner, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on pick a template. Once you have selected pick a template, you will be redirected to this page, and from this page you can see different templates that you can choose from, and we'll be selecting this template. So we'll tap on edit. From here you can close the pop-up box, or you could type in information that you may want the Wix AI to compose articles or so on for you. You could type that in right there, then tap on generate site text. Or you can close it, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then you can start editing your website. So for example, if you would like to edit the header, you can hover over it and tap on quick edit. From there you can change the text. You can also change the background color. Then for this section, you can simply select the section. From here you can change the background. You can change the background image, better yet. You can change the title and you can change the text section. It's as easy as that when it comes onto Wix. And you can scroll down and you can edit each section of your website. So you can scroll down and you can edit this section right here by simply tapping on the section and selecting quick edit. You can change the text as you can see right there, and you can also tap on the Wix gallery, and from there you could tap on manage media. After selecting manage media, you're going to see a pop-up appear, and then from here we could replace these images. So for example, I could tap on replace image and then I'll tap on media from Wix, and I'm just going to be replacing it with some carpet pics. So let's say for example this one, and I'll tap on add to page. Then from there you could replace this one also. So I could tap right there, then select replace, and again I'm going to select media from Wix, and then I'm going to type in, instead of just being carpet, let's type in carpet cleaning and see what they suggest. And you can select this one for example sake and tap on add to page, and you could change all three, then tap on done, and you can see how it looks right there. So you can see it right there. Then you can scroll down and you can continue editing each section. And to view all the pages that are currently on your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner and you can see all the pages right there. So for example, if I were to select services, you can see how the service page looks. And if you would like to add a page to your website, you'll tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. Then after doing that, you'll tap on site menu. Then you'll tap on add page, and you can see the different page layouts you can use from the left hand menu option. So whether you like to add a contact page, a general page, a landing page, you can do that by selecting it right there. And another standout feature when it comes onto the Wix website builder is there are numerous tutorials out there. In fact, I have a channel with a lot of Wix tutorial. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to customize it to your liking, you'll be able to find numerous tutorials on YouTube that you can quickly use. And if you would like to add an element that you don't see onto your website, for example a text box or image, you can tap on add element, the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different elements that you can quickly add. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.